This is a look at how to reset the maintenance reminders on your 2022 INFINITI QX80. Your maintenance reminders will appear in between the speedometer and tachometer in the vehicle information display. To adjust the maintenance and or reset it, you'll go through this menu by using the toggle switches mounted on your steering wheel. They're going to be located on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. And now it will actually just be this button right here. So if we push either end of the button, we'll be able to cycle through varying menus. So we'll look through here, we'll see our fuel economy and so on. But we're going to keep going until we get to the vehicle settings screen, which looks a little something like this. So in the settings screen, you'll see that you have a myriad of additional settings that you can adjust. But we're looking for maintenance, which you can see here is the second to last item on the list. To get there, you're going to use the toggle switch on your steering wheel, this one right here, and you're going to actually tap it downwards in order to cycle through to the next available menu item. When you get to maintenance, you're going to push inward on that switch to select it. Now, you'll notice here that we have oil filter, tire, and other. Now, depending on which maintenance reminder has been set at this point in time or alerted you that it needs attention, you'll select that corresponding item. For example, if you want to select the oil and filter change, we'll be given the option of seeing how many miles have elapsed versus the reminder distance. With this vehicle being pretty new, you'll notice that there are no miles that have elapsed and the maintenance reminder has been set to 7,500 miles. Now, in the event that the vehicle was due for maintenance, what you do in this menu is go down to where it says reset. You're going to push the OK switch on your steering wheel, which yet again, as a reminder, is this switch here. You push inwards on it, and the vehicle will ask you if you want to confirm the reset of the distance and mileage. So we'll go down to yes, select that, and then it would reset the mileage on the vehicle. In order to go back to the prior menu and to select other items for reset, you'll yet again use the toggle switch on the steering wheel, but the one right above it, which is a back arrow, to go back to the prior menu or screen. And you'll be given the option to select your tire or other, which will be a larger maintenance on the vehicle. Once you have them reset, the countdown will begin, and of course, when the vehicle is due for another maintenance interval, you'll receive a reminder on this screen. If you have any questions or if there's anything you'd like to see, just feel free to leave it in the comments. Thank you.